Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to export your Google Gemini's conversations to PDF, Word documents, Markdown files and more. So here we are in Google Gemini and we have our conversations or chat that we want to export. The easiest way you can do it is just right click on the chat and just click on print or Control P and then just click the destination as save as PDF or Microsoft Print to PDF, and you can see it is in already a nice format. I only have one chat here, but as you can see, you can select the pages that you want to customize and select the pages that you want to save as a PDF, or you can change the paper size if you want to print it, or even the scale, you want to increase or decrease the size. And then you just simply click save, and then you can open up your PDF and you can see it is already in a nice format, the same as in Google Gemini. So this is the free and fast method. But if you want to export it as a Markdown file or Word document or select specific chats in your conversations, then you need a more powerful tool. So the tool is called AI Exporter or AI Chat Exporter. It is available in Chrome, Edge and Firefox. You can just click on it, or I'll link down in the description, and you can just install the Chrome extension. And once you install the Chrome extension, you can go to the extensions tab and pin it, go back to your Gemini conversation and just click on the Chrome extension, and it will automatically detect that is in Google Gemini, and you can export it as PDF, Markdown, text, documents. So click on custom export so that you can select specific chats that you want to export, and then it will bring you up to a new page where you can select. So let's say I do not want my prompt, so I unselect the prompt, and also I just want the answers from Google Gemini. Once you can also adjust its font size, medium, light, change the theme. You can export as PDF, Word document, image, Markdown text and more. So let's say if I download it to export it to PDF and then open it up, as you can see, this is how it looks like when I export it as PDF. You can see there's a watermark at the bottom left corner, and unfortunately it is not completely free. It's a freemium where you have limitations, so you can only export PDF 3 times a day, export Word 8 times a day, but the JSON, Markdown, save as image are all free. So if you're concerned about that, you can use the first method. Thank you for watching this video. If you want more content and practical tips like this, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.